Guys, today is the same day from last year. Remember Chicken Bot Bot? Mackenzie has to call you. Everybody, his name's Chicken. Don't. He keeps telling me to call him Mackenzie, but I'm not calling him Chicken forever. But today's July 9th, the day that I had a tornado. So, guys, I'm not even that scared at all, because I'm going to be like a Mytherman whenever I'm older or not. This is the red button is right there. I'm going to eat it. Happy July 9th reunion from the tornado day. Have a great day, y'all. I'm good. I'm good. Stay good. Not getting scared. And don't have a storm because I'm going swimming at 4 p.m. See you guys. And I'll make a new video later. I'm just making videos because I never made a video. My phone is gone. My phone is in my bedroom charging. I'm going to make a video on there soon, but yeah, I want to make videos on my bubble strip phone. Have a great day. All my videos are almost over. I'm going to talk to you guys for a couple more minutes so I can get this all done. So July 9th, I have a tornado. Whenever I just came home, it was raining whenever I came home. And then I was on the call with my grandpa. I wasn't calling him on Messenger Kids. And then we had the tornado, and I was scared, and my mom said to go into bed, and I heard that in my ears for like a while, since like last year. It's like the sound, like the phone thingy. So they were gonna have a tornado. But I'm good. I'm swimming today on the July 9th. I'm shocked. Guys, I'm not gonna have a tornado in a while. So if you guys have a tornado far behind me, stay safe. Taco Tom. Have a great day, y'all. And stay safe. Have a great day. I'm my grandpa's, if you guys don't know. And then I got some more story to tell. After this is over, I'll tell more stories. I'm a good storyteller. And I was in the tornado, but I was not inside of it. I was like in my bathroom. It was cold, so it will break the building down. And now it's gone because they didn't want it broken, so they had to break it all down. So that took them a while. And get that video in making me to a Lamar Jackson edit. I don't want to be without a Lamar Jackson edit. I want to be in it too. Lamar Jackson edit to me. Make me into a Lamar Jackson.